we would like to introduce our new channel, Jest Cuisine Kitchen channel. We'll strictly deal with recipes. Let us know which recipes you want to watch on the channel. Also, we will do baking. If you're a baker and you would like us to visit you, kindly reach out to us. We shall also do food reviews. If you have a restaurant, kindly also let us know. We shall also have food adventures during our travels and eating competition. If you'd like to participate, kindly let us know. Our handles are Jest Cuisine Kitchen on all the social media pages. Today's recipe, we're going to make whole fish. We have our fish here and we have the other accompaniments. We're going to use the barbecue sauce. I love barbecue sauce. You can try it. In my opinion, it's even better than ketchup. Then we have the red onion. We have garlic. I don't have ginger today, but I have turmeric. I don't want to touch it. You see already it has messed up my hands. Then we have a tomato. We have bell pepper and another one here. This is usually to sweeten. And then we're going to use some spices, which I'm yet to decide. So follow through the process. We are now going to add the ingredients into our blender. I'm going to use the blender, though I always prefer using the grinder, but because I want to make sauce, I'll use the blender. So you can even cut with your hands since they don't need to be shaped. They are for mixing, but I had sliced the onions. There you are. Then we have the other ingredients. We have the turmeric and we have garlic. So we add the garlic, and then we are going to also add the yellow bell pepper. Let me just slice it. I almost sliced my nail. Then you add the bell pepper. The only thing that we have not added is the tomato. So we also add the tomato. So we have all our ingredients now in place. We add some water and then blend. Sorry, before we add the water, I'm going to put some spring onions. Yeah, spring onions. So now we can blend. So to this, we are going to add barbecue sauce as to your desire. Barbecue sauce. Then I'm going to add some spices. I'm going to do fish masala and salt, thyme, a little bit of cayenne, or I can do chili flakes today. A little bit of chili flakes. And since I didn't have garlic, the raw, I am going to use garlic powder. Yeah, I think that's all. So I'll add them to my desired portion. But they're optional if you don't want. So it's all about you. So we have added the salt, thyme. You have to add not so much, because if you do so much, it's going to be bitter. I don't know whether you have found yourself in a situation whereby you have put in a lot of thyme and the food ended up being bitter instead of sweet. If perhaps you didn't know that's what you did, that's where the mess was. I'm also very careful about the quantity of chili flakes that I add. I don't want to cry as I enjoy my fish. I'm very generous with garlic. It makes food very delicious. Then I'm going to add some fish masala. Again, adds to your desired quantity. I'm going to blend again so that I can evenly mix. See how messed up my nails were by turmeric. We pour it in a pan. We need to cook it for a few minutes. Pour everything. And then you cook it under low heat for like 5 minutes. Because there is water, it will not stick, but if it sticks, you mix it, you keep mixing. The sauce is ready. While we wait for it to cool down, we prepare the fish. So we are going to slice it into pieces so that we can get space where we are going to put our sauce through. Otherwise, if you don't do this, then you'll just put at the top. So you do it both sides. And use a sharp knife. This one of mine is bad. So you can see we have a few pieces of the spring onions. Either I will share how I store them, because these are now a week old, or a week or two, almost 2 weeks. So I'll share how I store them if I'll not have already shared by the time I'm posting this video. So you put them inside. You can decide even to kind of seal, but I'll just leave them because I know they're not going to move. So I've decided I'm going to mix it on the tray that I'll use when baking. So that's why I've picked this tray. So you have your sauce here. You can pour some inside, and then you pour the other one on the top. Then you mix it, and you make sure it's getting into the spaces that we have created. This set also is available from Jest World collection. It comes with a variety of spoons. Here you are, all the types of spoons that you want, you can get them in one package. So I'll just mix them, then I will be ready to bake. To grill, sorry.